Air and combustion is our topic of discussion in this class. And so first we're going to look at air and its components that we are going to do right away. So these are the objectives of this class: the composition of air, we look at oxygen, the reactivity series, and the application. And so to start us off, we're going to look at the components of air, which we have nitrogen, which takes up 78% of the volume. We have oxygen, we have carbon dioxide, we have the noble gases, which take up about 1%, and those are the major components of air. And so let me define combustion for you. So combustion is the burning of substances, usually in presence of air or oxygen. So during combustion, only the oxygen component of air is used, that is the active part of air. So having looked at the components of air and stated the active part of the composition, then composition of air, then under this topic we'll further the discussions of the components by determining the percentage of the active part of air. We know it's 21%, so we're going to do that in some of the experiments, such as burning candle, heating, copper turnings, and so on and so forth. So we're going to carry out an experiment of determining the presence of water and carbon dioxide in water. We're going to look at the fractional distillation, rusting, look at oxygen as a topic by itself. We look at burning substances in air, and finally components for oxygen, among competition for oxygen and metals. This is the part we look at the reactivity series, and finally applications for the competition for oxygen, and also try to look at atmospheric pollution as another application of this topic. So see you in our next class.